Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can view your Pick'Em's results on Valorant. But before I start this video, I want to dedicate this video to PRX. Congratulations for winning Masters. Finally, it's been years and I waited for you guys to win Champions Masters. And yeah, I'm so happy for you guys. I cried like for 3 to 4 times last night and today, like this morning. Then I couldn't sleep until like 6 a.m. So I just want to say congratulations, and you guys definitely deserve the win. W Gaming. Anyways, let's get started with the video. To view your Pick'Em's results, go to Esports here and go to Pick'Em's, and as you can see, you'll see the view results here. So I did not predict it correctly that much, as you can see, but as you can see, I got this correct. Just the finals, like just PRX winning, I just got that one correct. So I'm so happy, and I got top 31% and I got 95 points. That's cool. This is the community leaderboard. There's Sliggy here, Tarek. That's all I know. Oh, there's Executed as well. But as you can see, I got the sweet victory buddy because I did finish top 20%. I didn't get 100% because I didn't get perfect picks, obviously. And I didn't really participate in the beginning. That's why I didn't get this title. But to view the prize that you got, the buddy, just go back to collection. I don't have any skin because I retired Valorant, but if you go to buddies here, where is it? You'll see that you have the Pick'Em Masters Sweet Victory Buddy. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. You also get this one as well. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Congratulations, PRX. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.